What's your paper called?
My paper is called Network Security Monitoring for Automotive Domain. So we are trying to develop a new structuring approach for security research in automotive domain.
Well, why is that necessary?
It's necessary because, in my opinion, current research lacks in different aspects. We are not able to see any holistic concept for vehicle security at the moment. The manufacturers don't have any strategy how they should implement or how they are placing their security mechanisms. So at the moment, we're not having any holistic concept for vehicle security.
Why is it necessary to have a holistic view?
It's necessary because cybersecurity for vehicles is an emerging topic. Vehicles of the future are more and more connected. We have interfaces to the outside world like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, internet connection to the service of the manufacturers. And on the other hand, we have autonomous driving capabilities. So if we are able, as a hacker, to remotely control our vehicle, we are able to generate safety-related problems.
Worst case scenario, right?
Yeah, definitely worst case scenario, but we have to keep that in mind. So we need a very good strategy how we can make our vehicle secure. But at the moment, the research is definitely focused to the development of mechanisms for one specific aspect of the communication inside of vehicles, for the controller area network, which is the most frequently used communication system in vehicles, but with emerging architectures of the vehicles, like service-oriented communication and the use of Ethernet in vehicles with higher data rates and far more software than in former times. We also need new security mechanisms to secure that.
Okay, and what does your paper contribute to this issue?
The main contribution is to identify open research fields in the domain of automotive security. Because at the moment, as I said, the research is focused on one topic, and we developed a new approach to structure that research, to identify the aspects of security measures in vehicles with the idea of continuous monitoring of the vehicle security in mind. Because in my opinion, just preventive measures like encryption, which is common known, is not enough to make the vehicle of the future secure. One idea is to use intrusion detection systems that are able to generate events that monitor the data that is communicated inside of the vehicle. But also this is totally focused on single problems and not with the holistic vehicle in mind, with different communication domains, with different operating systems in the vehicle, which are also emerging at the moment.
And can you give an example of the holistic solution that would be there?
Holistic solution would be if we analyze the vehicle's software architecture, communication architecture as a whole, just with the idea that we need to monitor every single position in the vehicle that is critical, with every different operating system, software solution in mind, and that we are able to generate a top-down approach, just with the idea of monitoring in mind, that we are able to see the behavior of the vehicle in every aspect.
Okay. And what are you hoping this paper will lead to?
I hope that my paper will lead to new contributions in that field, because there are so many open questions we identified and a lot of very interesting topics, both for industry as well as for academia, to develop new solutions in that field. And we are also at the moment doing research in some of the aspects we identified here. But I hope that we are not the only one trying to get forward in the more broader field of cybersecurity for vehicles, because there are a lot of things that could be done.
Okay. Do you feel like this will be theoretical, or will it have practical applications as well?
Definitely practical applications, because we see the problem from the industry point of view, because we are strongly related with a lot of vehicle manufacturers, and we have the impression that the industry at the moment does not know what they should do, what they have to do, because there are legal regulations that tell them you have to do something, but of course they don't suggest any technical solutions. So the industry needs a strategic approach some strategies to really make the vehicles of the future secure. And so if you want to be able to do that, you need a clear classification, a clear understanding of what is there, of what is on the market. You need to make sure what solution is able to do what can we see in the car, but also what any solution is not able to do. So for that, the paper is definitely focused on being more practical in the future, because the theory is already very clear, because information security is not that new. In traditional enterprise IT, it's a very old topic, but to the vehicle manufacturers, it's a very new topic, and they're in their old mindset sometimes. So we're trying to push that mindset too. Yeah.
Okay. Daniel, thanks so much for the insight into your paper. You've been here all day. How do you feel about the conference thus far?
Very interesting. Good keynotes this morning, and also very interesting people here. Nice to talk to different researchers from all over the world, and yeah, a lot of new insights and new ideas I got this morning. So very helpful.
Okay, you said good keynotes. Any takeaways you'd like to share?
One point, that the AI of the future will be in so many different application domains, but the way to go is still along, because there are a lot of new ideas that have to be developed to bring AI to the working solutions. Yeah.
Okay. Daniel, thanks so much.
Thank you too.